doing stage shape.
Where the future of seafaring begins with purpose, courage, and discipline.
At UMTC,
I learned how to handle challenges through skill and teamwork. Empowerment here means preparation for real-life situation at sea.
Oh, do not forget about safety. And I'll be presenting this one is what's very important about maritime ministry. Okay?
Safety isn't just a rule, it's a habit and respect. It's part of every handshake, every team task, and every command followed. UMTC supports the IMO mission for the safe and harassment-free maritime industry. I feel seen, heard, and supported, so everyone else can too.
our future is at sea. But our compass started here.
Trained, empowered, and safe. This is UMTC, and this is my journey.